Oh. Alright, this is gonna be a YouTube video. There's some baby birds here. Hey. I'm just recording something for YouTube. Baby birds. They're right over here. Yeah, there's 4. Right. I said hi, so let's begin. So, these baby birds, we shown a mirror to them. Yes, of course. And the mother bird didn't even kill them. Because, look, if you can see here, I'm just working on a volcano project for now. Because I'm doing the volcano. I'm sorry if I didn't say that properly. The volcano. I can't tell you info about where I live. Just, well, I can tell you about these American robins. So day 1, when mother bird, she was making her nest, we just gasped at what we saw. So if you can see, I took a picture. I'll probably link up. Oh, here comes my grandma. I live with my grandma, and these baby birds, they could probably come back next year. I don't know. They're probably coming. I got my own Facebook account. I'm 14, yes. We could share that to the Facebook account. But mother bird, she's somewhere around here. I just don't know. So I'll get back as soon as I can.